In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your download location in Mozilla Firefox so your files go exactly where you want them. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your Firefox and make sure you are connected to the internet. And I want you to click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, which is going to be your menu button. From here, I want you to hover down to the settings and then go to the general tab. So you have like general, home, search, privacy. I want you to click the gear icon and go to general and then hover down below where you can see the download option. All right. If you can't find it, as you can see, the download is just right here under files and applications, but you can also find and type it in the settings. For example, download. You see that? And then if you wanted to change the folder of your downloads here in Mozilla Firefox, all I have to do is click the browse section, right? I'm going to choose this specific folder and click the select folder, all right? Now, for example, we're going to a specific website, which is going to be our official YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so that you'll get notifications to our latest content. For example, we're gonna download a video, click the three dots icon, and when you click the download button, the file will be automatically downloaded on the folder that you have selected earlier in the settings menu. And basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.